Hi everyone, a warm welcome to all of you. Myself Atanu from AATANU'S with the Mandir. Today I will discuss logical function in Microsoft Excel. So let's see how to use it in Excel. Though logical function is the topic of many softwares. Okay, you can find it in Excel, you can find it in any other spreadsheets, you can find it in Python, Java, in all these languages. Okay, but today our topic is Excel, so I want to discuss this in Microsoft Excel. Let's start how to use logical function in Microsoft Excel. And in this logical function video, I want to discuss only one basic function, that is if function, and basic level, obviously not the advanced level of if function. Okay, only the basic level. So start writing logical function. Okay, now we need to understand what a logical function actually is. Clear? So logical function, and the function that we are going to discuss now, that is if function. Okay, and if function, how it will work. Suppose you have a condition, okay, and as per that condition you have to generate a value. Okay, in that case you can use this if function. And always remember that in each and every if function you will get minimum two values. Okay, minimum two values. One will be your true value and another one will be your false value. Okay, so how many values we will get? One is true value and the another one is false value. Okay, so these two value will get. Clear? Now what is the writing pattern of this if function? Okay, so as I already mentioned, you will have a condition. Okay, so you have to start your if function with equal to sign. Okay, next start the bracket, that means equal to if, then start the bracket. Okay, so in Microsoft Office Excel, whatever is the function, okay, you need to use this parenthesis only. Okay, this is called parenthesis. Okay, so this bracket you need to start, no other bracket will work in case of Excel functions. Okay, so equal to if, then start the bracket. After that you write your condition, and this condition will be given. Okay, you write your condition. As per this condition you will get a value. Okay, that is true value, as I have mentioned earlier. Okay, true value, and the another value will be the false value. Clear? So one is true value, another one is false value. Clear? So this will be the looks of your if function. Okay, it will look like this. Clear? Now if the condition satisfy, okay, in that case we will get this one. If condition doesn't satisfy, in that case we will get another value. And what is that value? That is the false value. Clear? So this is the looks. Done? Understood? Now take an example. Suppose you have a database like what will be the content of the database? It may be like name and total marks. Okay, name and total. Done. Fit it. Okay, now you have to generate the grade as per the total marks. Okay, so for name I am using A1 A2. Okay, simple. Now total marks, it may be like 100, 105, 20. Okay, next is 200, next is 300, and after that what should be the value? 230, and this one is 160 maybe. Okay, are there any student? No. So we have a 1 to a 7 students. That means we have 7 students. Okay, now you have to generate grade out of all these total marks, but for that we must have some conditions, and the condition is like this: if grade is greater than 200, okay, in that case those students will pass, else all will be fail. Done. Else all will be fail. Clear? Now you have to implement the if function in this cell, okay, in this grade cell. Clear? Okay, now equal to if. Okay, after that what we need to write? See this, what is the writing pattern? Equal to if, then condition. So what is your condition? Okay, this one, grade is greater than 200, this is the condition. So this one is greater than 200. Okay, then after writing this condition, okay, you need to supply the true value. What is the true value in your case? That is pass. Okay, and if condition doesn't satisfy, that means for other students, okay, what will be the value? That is the false value. The false value is fail. Okay, so it will be fail. My function is completed. Okay, press enter to get the result and simply drag it downward or double click. Okay, so in my case most of the students failed. Okay, because their marks are not greater than 200. Okay, but in this case A5 and A6 the marks are greater than 200, condition satisfied in the for the, that's why these two students, the result of these two students are coming as pass. Okay, clear? I think this is clear to everyone. Okay, for more detail you have to stay tuned with me, and in the next classes we will discuss the deeper part of this function. So thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned with me, and obviously good night.